I don't think you can enter. May car.
I was checking kung may kulang car ang wala eh.
Ganda. This would have been siguro better kung may trees, not winter. So this is the Danube River of this particular place. I think there's a museum on the left.
Make a U-turn on Futo
There's a restaurant
UTCA.
up ahead.
Then turn right on Duna Corzo.
You can find a parking space here that, or we can just look-see na lang.
Kuha na lang tayo kung walang klaro na parking.
Ganda. So nice. It's I took a video naman eh. Ganda.
Pwede nung biyahe dahil sa dandahan ka na magkuhan. What is this?
Nagpicnic sa Sapina.
River
We can buy food and then sit here and then absorb the scenery. I don't have voice anymore.
Parking stop muna tayo dyan. Magsitahin tayo. Or sa establishment natin yan.
You can buy from them maybe so that this is a, let me check what is that.
No entrance o pasok doon.
We are in the museum, Carochi Caroni Museum. That's a museum on the left.
Parking yan pero sa eatery yan. Hindi ko alam.
Let's eat
Ahead
here.
na naming parking pa.
I think it's public parking yan.
Basta kung ma-fine tayo, wala na akong i-take na blame.
Hindi ba di mapasok dito?
Okay. Wag dyan sa harapan ng establishment. Sa iba na.
We can siguro eat.
Harapan ng restaurant yan eh.
Like maybe we can.
Yung mga hindi klaro na yung mga ganyan, no? Like yung ganyan, no? Pwede hindi, no?
Ayun na. Pag sino doon, sa door ka ng establishment, try mo dito.
Dito, let's just go on.
There's a parking slot naman eh.
We're sorry, but we're stupid.
So nice. It's so nice here. You can buy something then take a picture naman tayo dyan siguro.
Wala to. Walang bawal to.